Crafting with clauses. Mastering relative clauses in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting session. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of relative clauses. This is an essential tool to construct complex, nuanced sentences, allowing you to specify, explain, and elaborate in English with style. We'll also delve into how to properly use, review, and give feedback on these clauses. Let's begin by refreshing our understanding of relative clauses. These are types of dependent clauses that function as an adjective, modifying nouns or pronouns. They often come after the noun they're modifying and start with relative pronouns like who, whom, whose, which, and that. Example: the book that I read was exciting. Here, that I read is the relative clause modifying the book. Relative clauses provide extra information about the noun or pronoun. They can be essential, restrictive, where the sentence's meaning changes without them, or non-essential, non-restrictive, where they offer additional information that can be removed without altering the main sentence's message. Examples: 1. People who smoke are at a higher risk for lung disease. Restrictive. 2. My brother, who lives in Canada, is a doctor. Non-restrictive. Peer review is an excellent way to improve your grasp of relative clauses. By examining others' work and receiving feedback on your own, you can identify common mistakes and avoid them in your writing. Part 1. Identifying relative clauses. When reviewing, first, identify the relative clauses. Look for the noun followed by a clause starting with a relative pronoun. Part 2. Checking for correct usage. Next, ensure the relative pronoun used aligns with the noun it modifies. For example, use who for people, which for things, and whose for possession. Part 3. Assessing necessity. Decide if the clause is restrictive or non-restrictive. If it's non-restrictive, ensure it's set off with commas. Part 4. Offering constructive feedback. When offering feedback, be specific, constructive, and kind. Point out what they've done well and suggest how they can improve, ensuring your feedback encourages learning and growth. It's time to put our knowledge to test. Start by composing sentences using both restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. Then, swap with a partner for a peer review exercise. This helps in developing a strong grasp on using relative clauses effectively. And that's a wrap on our journey into the world of relative clauses. Remember, practice is key when mastering any grammatical concept. The more you write and review, the more comfortable you'll get with these clauses. Happy learning, and see you in the next session.